Hello, dear Dinka learners. Welcome back. Today, let us learn adjectives in Dinka language. These are double adjectives. Okay, let us try to learn them. Let's begin from number one. One, amit mit. Amit mit mean very tasty. Alim lim. Alim lim mean very sweet. Alim. Alim mean sweet. Ading ding. Ading ding. Ading ding mean very delicious. Allow low, allow low, allow low mean very salty, very salty. Allow mean salty. Cup or tick tick. A cup, a tick tick mean strongly smelling. Cholchut, cholchut, cholchut mean very black or very dark. Lirtwat, lirtwat, lirtwat mean very cold. Ditot, ditot, ditot mean very big. Tin nhọt, tin nhọt, tin nhọt mean very small. You can hear someone saying cái tin nhọt, much and cái tin nhọt mean give me something little or very small. Cái tin nhọt very small. A realtor, a realtor, a realtor mean very strong or very hard. A kich, a kich, a kich mean very bitter, very bitter. A kich, a kich. A catch mean bitter. A touch, a touch, a touch, a touch mean very hot or hot. A touch, a touch, a touch mean hot. A twitch, a twitch, a twitch mean hotness. Nyany, nyany, nyany mean smell bad or rotten. Nyany, something. Nyany mean something rotten. Nyany, 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 nyany. And then mean very bad smell or very rotten. A watch, a watch mean very sore. A watch mean very sore. A watch mean what? Write it for me. I want to know. Yenakan, then more adjectives are coming. Please follow and share this video so that we learn Dinka language together. By William Majak. Deputy Itong Yang. Nyalik Kawik Kuyania. Bye bye.